Let's dive into how to use Dental EndoMaster. Before we jump in, make sure you're familiar with the basic guidelines for the training session. To start, the target tooth will appear on the screen. You can zoom in, zoom out, and rotate the 3D model to observe it from every angle. Be sure to use the X-ray images to guide your planning. By tapping the secondary camera in the top right corner, you can view the model from different perspectives. In this mode, the view reveals the tooth's internal structure. Let's go over the main buttons. Tap the Settings button in the top right to adjust your options or end the training. The full screen button next to the secondary view will switch you to full screen mode. After zooming or rotating, simply tap the camera button in the bottom right to reset the view. Tapping it again will reset the zoom. Finally, tap the X-ray button in the bottom left to bring up the X-ray image. Now, we'll move to the penetration cut phase. Hold the left controller to activate positioning. Use the right controller to aim. You can check your drilling setup using the secondary view. Make sure to select the correct burr size before pressing the prep button. As you drill, progress is indicated by depth, sound, and vibration. You'll feel a distinct sinking sensation once you reach the chamber. Check your result, and you may try additional penetration cut if needed. Next, you need to predict the positions of the canal orifices projected onto the occlusal plane, using the drilling axis from your final penetration cut. Adjust each canal orifice position one by one on the surface, and fine-tune them using the auxiliary controller. Helpful hints are available in the secondary view. Now, let's define the shape of the root canal cavity. A default cavity shape will appear based on your orifice markers. Adjust this shape based on the pulp horn positions, adding control points as needed. Helpful hints are available in the secondary view. Press the prep button to start. As you go deeper, you'll notice that sinking sensation again through both sound and vibration. Time to evaluate your accuracy. The occlusal surface shows a comparison between the actual canal orifice positions, marked as green dots, and your predictions, shown as red dots. If your predictions fall within the acceptable range, it's a success, otherwise, it's a fail. Rotate the model in the secondary view to compare your predictions against the actual positions more precisely. This analysis evaluates the outline of your cavity. Green indicates canal orifices, while yellow indicates pulp horns. In the secondary view, you can see how the cavity shape, pulp chamber, and canal orifices interact in 3D. Let's also check the cavity depth. The 0 mm mark indicates your initial central pit position. The green lines represent the roof and floor of the pulp chamber, while the red line shows the depth of the cavity you prepared. Finally, we'll simulate file insertion into the prepared orifices. Adjust the insertion angle using the file handle. If the file inserts without interference, it will show in red. If there is interference, it will appear black. Use the secondary view to inspect the canal structure with the file inside. Now, review your training results. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next steps.